Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I'm Jenny Arida. I'm 32 years old. I'm married. I have one child and he's 8 years old. I have one brother and two sisters and I'm Catholic. I'm a high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for the future of my child.
Do you have any experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have an experience in Hong Kong for half a year. I do the household chores. I cook. I wash the clothes. I clean the house. Everything the employer said.
Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, I do. I know how to take care of the newborn baby.
So what will you do if the babies cry, if the babies doesn't stop crying?
If the baby does not stop crying, maybe he is hungry. I'll check if he's hungry and I'll check if the diaper is overwet.
Okay, Jenny,
Yes.
I have a question. If your prospective employer cannot provide you a Sunday off, is it okay for you?
It's okay, sir.
Any kind of drugs, food or detergent you have allergy?
None, sir.
Are you afraid of pets, dog or cat?
No, sir.
Are you prepared to follow your employer's rules and regulations?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, sir.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
Jenny, what are the qualities of being good domestic helper?
Maybe the qualities of being a good domestic helper is to be generous and follow every orders the employer will set.
Do you have any message to your prospective employer?
Yes, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I'm Jenny, and maybe sooner I will be your domestic helper, and I assure you I'll give you all the best, and I will serve your family, and maybe I'll see you soon.
Okay, Jenny, can you show me your best smile?